Hi guys, welcome to another Arduino tutorial. So in this video I am going to tell you how can we create a very simple calculator using keypad module, LCD screen and Arduino. Let's see. 1 5 plus 5 20. There we go. So let's DIY this. So now let's go for the coding part, and as you can see right here, this is the code for the calculator, and let me explain you this one. In the first few lines we have included the required libraries, and after that these are some line of codes that we need to write in every code whenever we are using this keypad module, because we have declared all the pins and all the connections about all those things in these lines. After that we have added some boolean expressions so that we can do our mathematical operations that we are doing in the calculator. After that, this is the void setup part. This is mainly for the introduction. In the first part when I turn on the device, you can see that Rudra Diecrafts and calculator, these two lines will be appear in the screen, LCD screen. So for that we have added this much of line. After that, this is the void loop part, and here we have declared the pins as you can see right here. If no key, then it is blank, then key 1, key 2, key 3, like that we have declared all the keys right here. And after that, this is for the plus, for the addition function. Then similarly there are different other functions as well, like subtraction and multiplication and division. So for all of that we have added different line of codes. So this is the operation for plus, like minus, this is for addition, multiplication, and this is for division. So after that we have declared the LCD so that it will show us the answer as well. And after that, this is just for the blank screen. So that's all about the coding, and now let's see the circuit connection. And we can do the circuit connection by understanding the code. We don't need any kind of circuit diagram. The code itself is the circuit diagram, we can say, because we have declared all the pins inside the code. So if we read the code thoroughly, then we can find all the pin or all the connections that we are going to do with the circuit. So let's see that one. So these are the three things we need: our keypad module, LCD module and Arduino Nano. So now let's go for the coding part, and we will see what are the pins we have set in the coding. So first of all, you can see right here we have declared the rows and column pins. See, 2 3 4 5 for rows and 6 7 8 9 for columns. So as you can see here in our Nano, there are different digital pins from D0 to D13. So we are going to use D2 to D9. And here in our keypad module, as you can see, these are 8 pins. So the first 4 pins are for the row and the second 4 pins are for the column. So it can go directly here, just like this. Okay, here it goes. And then in right here you can see the SDF pin will be connected in the A4, and SCL pin will be connected in A5. So there are 4 pins in this LCD. So first 2 pins, these are the VCC and ground. They are going to be connected in the VCC and ground pin right here. And then this yellow pin is the SDA and the orange pin is SCL. So SDA pin goes to A4 and SCA pin goes to A5. See, that's how simply the circuit connection is done, and our calculator is ready. We don't need any kind of external circuit to run this one. I mean external circuit diagram to make this circuit. We can just do it using the code. So now let me give it the power connection, and here we go. As you can see right here, it's showing my name, Rudra DIY Crafts, and in there it is the calculator. So that's why it's showing this one, because of the void setup part in our code. So now let me add some numbers. So like 1 5. So these 4 pins are for the operations like plus, minus, multiplication and division. and this start button to execute our program, and the stop button to erase the screen. And these are the numbers we are going to give as input. So let me do a division. So 15 divided by 5, and when I am clicking on start, see, here is the answer. So similarly, when I am clicking on stop, the screen is cleared now. So similarly, let's do 55 minus 5. So start, answer 50. Here we got this one. So that's how we created this calculator, this very easy simple calculator using keypad module and LCD screen. So that's all about our today's tutorial about this calculator. And if you find this tutorial helpful, then give it a thumbs up and let me know your suggestions, your thoughts and any doubts in the comment section below. And see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.